Trying to film. Come on, more action over here.
Whoa!
That's cool.
Hey, don't you dare say that. Holy smoke. Holy smoke. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, that was good. That was good. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, you can see it. I missed it.
Shh. No thunderstorm?
I missed it.
That was it?
I just started.
I
Really?
missed it.
It just started. Okay, great. Hopefully you'll
Mary,
catch on.
I missed it.
Feel that wind?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes! She's standing out in the open.
Yeah, look. Right. Because you were getting it.
You getting good
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Yes, that was a good one.
Yes.
Huh.
Thank you.
Sound.
It's still over here.
Whoa! Did you saw
God, did you
that?
catch it? Hey.
Just
You
like,
saw the action.
whoa! Did you saw
I
that?
take that back.
Look at what? Cut that.
Well, my bad. Last.
Yes!
Leave it to you. I forgot.
Look at that.
No.
Take it to the
Whoa!
That might be a little disruptive. Yeah.
Yes.
I wish the weather was always like this.
Wow.
And I thought I was a chatty one in the family. More and more.
He's probably thinking about a couple of loons out.
Nature says.
Whoa! You guys missed. Oh, I think I missed it too.
You're a millennial.
Whoa!
Yeah, I do.
That was a good one. You guys saw that? You guys saw that? That was a good one.
Generations of life.
What? You guys thought? You guys are missing so much because you guys.
Wait, you don't know who you are?
Look, that's the thing. They've never seen lightning before.
Seriously,
Yeah.
That was a cloudy one, guys.
Like,
That was alright.
Logan's employee.
Yes!
Look at that!
See, guys, you guys. Whoa! See, you guys missed it because you guys were talking.
You mean the chocolate?
Ooh, you guys are missing out. Whoa! See, guys, you missed that one too. That was a good
I
one.
did it like 50 times.
We don't need you to break
Sorry, guys, this is my family. They're just so noisy when it comes to these thunderstorms, and like they really want to like do these things. I'm so sorry you guys have to hear this stuff.
And the bird one, it's not gonna fly out here, I promise. It is gonna fly. It's not.
When we have these occasions, you guys will just like find some way just to, like chat like so loudly,
Well, I'm
so I
sorry
won't
that
get any of
you're
this.
videotaping for your YouTube, but now's not time to shut us up.
Listen, Kayla, are you
For your
safe
internet.
standing here and here?
I'm not standing. Well, I'm sitting. Half. No, I'm half sitting, half
I
sitting.
told her, I said you should
I mean,
get
half
back a
standing.
little bit, and she was like, I'm fine.
No, because you see this metal right here?
Guys,
Whoa, see,
Kayla,
like, you guys
I
saw
don't
that?
think you understand that you're allergic to lightning.
I'm not allergic to
You would
lightning.
die.
Christian, go in.
I have real reason to be worried.
No, if Christian comes, if Christian
all I'm
comes out
going-
here, then it'll be real. See, look, it's not.
reality.
There's no more.
That doesn't happen.
Christian, don't worry,
Fine,
it's
I'll
over.
give you a super hug.
It's over.
No, it's a
Christian.
trip to see.
True.
It's an older movie. It's called In Time.
Well, Meg, we're talking about movies in the middle of the thunderstorm.
What is it?
What? Whoa!
Wow, I can't write down.
Finally, see guys, when you guys don't talk, you actually catch something, guys. See what I mean?
You shut up. See, you know the thunder agrees.
That no agrees with me.
Yeah, but she
That was something.
she's trying to How
That
come
was
when
so
I say-
cool.
How come when Kayla starts there, it's like,
Because I have to go, okay? Love you. Love you,
Okay.
Crystal.
You guys heard that? Ooh, so many. This is so cool. Sprinkling, English. Whoa.
I know, right? They know
Whoa.
gotta think of it.
Whoa! That was the, I think that was the grand finale, guys. You guys saw that? You guys missed the whole thing.
What?
You guys.
So boring.
I know.
Ooh, you guys see that?
No, we're blind.
Yeah, I pulled it
What?
out. It was done. It's done. Yeah, I wasn't painting done.
Alright guys, you guys are too loud.
I didn't.
He was laughing through the whole
Look at that. And you guys missed that too. Again, you missed it again because you guys were chatting. I missed that one, guys.
See that
Whoa!
you missed it.
Yeah, you missed it, Daddy, because you were chatting. I'm joking.
when you, and then you click down on the
Well, I mean, that's okay.
Or the latest. You know what? I'm done here.
This is 36 minutes, yo. Oh!
My eye got blinded.
Wow.
That was so
man,
cool.
You missed it.
Right?
No, I didn't. I got the whole thing.
My eye got blinded.
God told us to shut up. God told us to shut up.
It hit right there, guys. It literally hit right there.
Saw that line?
See you guys when you
It
do
was all
it.
long, squiggly.
You guys see, guys. Wait, hang on, guys. You guys see, guys.
No, God. It's
Yes, look. You saw that?
stop.
You saw that?
You're not even crying. A chuckle.
Whoa! Whoa.
I didn't get to.
Yeah, because you're too busy
Are
like.
you angry? What is that?
Whoa! You saw that? Yo, I literally.
I like how it like gave us a lightning. Look, I like how it struck when I said I just don't exist anymore. It's like it's like the lightning struck when I said I don't exist anymore.
But
That doesn't help my
He here, guys.
Ooh. Is the universe real?
Oh, I didn't really. That was like all over, like.
Maybe stop filming houses. My God.
Whoa! That's literally when he said, "My God." Oh my God! Is lightning about to strike? That's a sign. I've heard on YouTube that when the light lights up, it's going to light. So come on, so we need to go.
Why were you filming me?
I'm not filming you. Don't worry.
Put
it's
the
not
camera
looking at
in my
you.
face.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna call him.
No, don't call anyone.
Crystal.
Fine.
It literally just. Oh wait, no man. It's gone.
Literally when that happened.
Cause
Why do you have such a weird laugh?
it's scared. Yo, I like when it scares me a little bit. Ain't gonna
You
lie.
like when it scares you?
I don't know. But
Maybe
Crystal,
we pissed it off. We don't even know it.
I know.
I know.
Yo,
We're sorry.
we don't have a lightning strike. Whoa. See what I mean?
It's the end of the world.
Stop it.
La 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 la.
I'm just.
I don't think it's a good idea that we're on here because I noticed that when we're
Like.
most look at this
Whoa. I think that was cool.
just doing this. Well, maybe you were wrong.
Maybe that checks energy.
I don't know.
That was so cool. Whoa! See what I mean, guys? See what I mean? Maybe it was the airplane. Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna check this off.
Good. Finally.
Hey, lightning, say bye. Say that. Say bye. Hey, Mother Nature, say bye.
Can you just end the video?
Okay.